Today I'll be showing you how to make curls for goddess braids using your own fiber. You'll need leftover fiber, a crochet needle, I got mine from a general hair store, flexi rods or curling rods, a conditioner, mine is the Tresemme Botanic range, and a bucket to pour your water in. I'll start by parting my fiber. You can decide how thick or thin you want your curls to be. If they end up being too thick, you can always separate them further. Then I'll curl my fiber onto the flexi rod. I'll start from the middle and twist as I wrap around the rod until I reach the end. Then I'll do the same with the other side. Now you don't have to tie a knot at the ends like I did, but if you are struggling to keep the ends down, I would recommend it. Once I finished, I moved on to the next step. I poured a bit of my conditioner in the bucket, then poured boiling water to the mix. Threw my fiber into the bucket and ensured that each rod of fiber was submerged into the conditioned water.
Five minutes later.
Now take out the rods to dry. I used my towel to dry my fiber. Then remove the fiber from each rod. If you don't want your curls to be too springy, you can reduce the curl intensity by combing out the fiber, depending on how wavy you want it to be. The last step is to crochet the curls onto your braids. I pushed my needle through the 3-strand gaps on my braid. I will show you properly on the second braid. I felt for a gap, pushed my needle through, and pulled my fiber out. Then pulled 1/2 of the fiber through the loop and tied a knot. Now you can add accessories to your braids and style your braids as desired. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope it was helpful to you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!